As we gather with family, friends, and lots of food this Thanksgiving, it's also a great moment to reflect on the financial blessings, big and small, that we can be thankful for this year. Gary Garrison with Asset Protection Wealth Management joins us this morning to look at 5 money topics that might just make your gratitude list a little bit longer. Gary, what a great topic.
Angela, thank you. It's good to be back and good to see you again, and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
It is upon us.
Yes. Do you have big plans for the holiday?
Yes, just family and food, you know, pretty much what everybody does.
Yeah.
One of my favorite things to do is eat, so it's a perfect scenario for that.
Your favorite side dish is?
Dressing.
Really?
Love dressing.
Mine is
and
green
my
bean casserole.
wife's corn casserole.
It's so
my gosh,
good.
hers was amazing.
I might have to get her recipe then.
Yep.
Okay, good. Well, let's talk about these 5 money topics here that we can be grateful for. The first one is cooling inflation and lower prices.
Yes, and before we jump into that, this is a time of the year to be thankful, and I'm very thankful that my granddaughter, Jenna Pierce, is here in the studio watching. It's
Hey,
fun
Jenna.
to have her here watching, so thanks for being here. But yeah, inflation, you know, historically is a big deal. Economists will tell you that. So we've been very fortunate, we're very blessed, and we're thankful right now that inflation's cooling. It's not nearly as high as it used to be a few years ago. It's come down quite a bit, and it's more manageable. And so what that means really is that your paycheck, you know, will stretch further when the prices of things are coming down. And it's really helped affect a lot of different prices, but you know, gasoline is certainly a big one, groceries, those kind of things. They've seen prices drop on those, and if gas prices drop, it affects everything. So it's a really, really big benefit to have cooling inflation during this time of the year.
The next biggie is higher savings rates.
Yes, so for those that have money in the bank, savings account, 401k, what have you, interest rates are back up. You know, they were low for a long time, and rates right now, Angela, are a 10-year high. So they used to be like 1 or 2% on a CD, and now you can get 3, 4, or 4.5 on a CD. It's also affected in a very positive way fixed indexed annuities. So those are issued through insurance companies, but those rates are higher than I've seen them in a decade. So for people that have maybe older annuities, that they might want to check and make sure they're getting a competitive rate still on that, because that can really add up quite quickly.
Definitely, for sure. The third one being a strong job market.
Yes, unemployment is low, and that's very good also. Economists love that. And so we're grateful for that. That's a good thing to be grateful of. And people that are, you know, out looking for work, there's a number of sectors that are still hiring. And so there's a lot of growth. And it also, for people that are looking for work, I don't want my employees to see this, but for people that are looking for work, it's a good bargaining time to go, because you can sort of negotiate things on the front end and, you know, make sure you're getting top salary and benefits and those kind of things when it's low unemployment.
Sure. This next point is something we talk about often, is the stock market resilience.
Yes, and boy, are people with 401ks happy. It's been a great year for the stock market. Had a little bit of a hiccup last week, but overall, it's a really, really good year for the market, and that makes people happy, makes their retirement look better. It's more resilient, and it also, you know, holds true as to the things that I've talked about on here many times, is that don't panic when the market drops. You know, stay in the market, keep your portfolio strong, and then when the markets come back, like they've been doing, that's all gain for you. So you got to be consistent. The other thing, when the market's doing well like that, is you want to make sure you're balanced correctly. You don't have too much in growth stocks or too much in bonds or too much conservative or too much aggressive, depending on how you've invested it. So that's a good time to reach out to a financial advisor and say, hey, we had a good year. Where am I in my 401k? Do I need to make some changes or keep it like it is? It's a great time to do that.
Oh, absolutely. And the last one is growing financial tools and education.
Oh man, there's so many things out there online now, you know, that you can go. There's websites, links, apps, different things that you can get, a ton of tools that can help you. Even on our website, we've got a lot of financial tools. We've got financial calculators, a wealth of information that people can go and click on AP Wealth Management and check it out. But those are really great for families that are kind of starting out, and to help people, you know, manage debt, make sure they're on track for retirement, and, you know, have peace about your finances.
You always got to start somewhere, Gary, that's for sure. You brought some show and tell for us today.
I did, a little show and tell here. So for all the viewers today, this is my new magazine that goes out quarterly. And you might be glad to know that it's not all about finances. In fact, there's very little about finances in there. It's about family. It's about eating healthy and staying healthy. It's about, taking family vacations. What are some good spots to do that? There's recipes in there. There how to cook slowly and cook food better. I mean, there's all sorts of information on it. It's a very high quality magazine, beautiful pictures, and anybody that wants it can call or text our number, 501-225-9045. On the screen there, click the QR code and just say, I want the magazine, and we will get that to you. And if you'd like, we can send you the quarterly ones as well. But very proud of that. It's a great.
I want one for sure.
Yep. Well, you're definitely on the list.
Okay,
We'll put you on
good,
there.
good. Gary, thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
your time.
Ansley, and happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving as well. All right, we'll have more Good Morning Arkansas after this. Stay with us.
Very good.